AI ethics? Is AI ethical? Is AI a safety breach? Is AI a sign of the end of times? Is AI shut up? Who cares? Because while we're talking about AI ethics, AI ethical dilemmas, let me show you what's actually happening in the world while we're talking about this nonsense. How about 22-year-old? How about the youngest self-made billionaires are dominated by AI founders led by 22-year-olds Brendan, Adarsh, Surya, $10 billion AI recruiting platform. 25-year-old Cursor founders Michael, Ahmad, Arvind, 29-year-old Lula. Look at this, guys. Look at the type of stuff they're doing. San Francisco, where I was born. It's some sort of AI thing, avatar to interview vet developers, matching them with companies, nothing crazy. Okay, another one. They're developing AI code that engineers can use faster, blah, 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 20 billion. Another one under 30, a platform that predicts markets. Another one, Code Up that makes apps. Oh, the old people, Alex Wang and Lucy Gao, 31 years old. And it's just data labeling and all this. I gotta be honest with you, I have seen some of this stuff. I've seen some of the people who are making a lot of money with AI. My first exposure to people who are making a lot of money with AI, and I mean this, he might have actually been retarded, right? And I mean that with true respect, because, you know, you could kind of tell when you talk to someone, he was killing it with AI. That was my first expression. I'm like, huh. Then I kept, because I go to all these top, like, you know, marketing events and conferences, and I'm like, I'm meeting all these AI founders who just became AI experts because, and why are they an AI expert? Because they changed their Facebook profile to AI expert and they watched some YouTube videos, because you can't be an expert in AI because it just came out. They're just watching some videos on AI. It's not that complicated. Guys, here's my point. We are sitting here, okay? We are sitting here talking about AI, and other people are making, okay, is billions too much? I get it. They're making hundreds of thousands of dollars. They're making millions of dollars. They're making tens of millions of dollars. They're making hundreds of millions of dollars. They're making billions of dollars. And we're sitting here, is AI ethical? Is AI gonna end the world? Guess who's guilty? I've been guilty of that up until recently, where I woke up and I'm trying to wake you up because I love you, because I want you to make more to give more, because I want to slap you in the face with a cold, wet fish of love, because I want us all to make more to give more. I have started developing AI software now. It's the gold rush era. You were not alive during the gold rush era. You didn't take advantage of that. You didn't take advantage of crypto. You didn't take advantage of the dot-com bubble. You didn't take advantage of real estate the last time. You didn't take advantage of all these businesses that boosted, that went nuts during COVID. You didn't take advantage of anything. Take advantage of AI. Is it too late? No. Okay, let's not just do lip service. How? Guys, I always say that your number one resource is already what you got going on. So here's the formula you want to do. What do you got going on right now? What field are you in? Like, I'm in the coaching world. I have coaches start or grow a business to unbelievable heights, right? So I'm in coaching, right? So what are you in? Question mark. And so in the coaching world, I know the problems that coaches have. They don't know how to have juicy messaging. They don't know how to create a good offer. They don't know how to create a good website. They don't know how to create a sales process. They don't know how to create traffic and get leads. So what's the formula for AI? The formula is really simple. What field are you in right now? Whatever the hell you're in. What problems are happening right now? Can AI solve it? The answer is yes, by the way. This is what you build. Let's use me as an example. What field am I in? I'm in coaching. What do I know that everyone needs help with? Their offer sucks. Their messaging sucks. Their website sucks. It all sucks. So guess what? They have problems. They don't know how to do AI. Can AI solve that problem? Yup. So we're developing an AI software that you go in the software, it'll create all that for you. Easy breezy, jumping easy, lemon squeezy. So guys, conclusion on AI, guys, don't waste your time talking about it. Freaking do it, because it's cheap to develop right now. And there's so many problems. Remember, it's new. If you think it's too late, years from now, AI companies will start and have billion-dollar exits because there's too many problems you need to solve. Just think about problem solution. Just think about problem solution. And so whatever problems you have in the industry that you know about that's not being solved by AI, get your butt on that and don't get perfect. Just get it something working, get a bunch of people on it and sell it. Built to sell. Built to sell. I don't want to, that's it. That's all we're going to talk about with AI. I think I've beat that point home enough.